Project Mind is a professional development program wherein students are challenged to create an initiative that supports student mental health on campus. In Project Mind, students are placed into teams and they undergo a number of workshops that are really designed to build their understanding of mental health systems at the uni, build their mental health literacy, and build their understanding of the design and innovation process. Teams are assigned mentors who come from a wide range of places around the uni who are able to offer their industry experience and provide guided feedback for the teams on their initiatives and their pitches. So Pitch Night is the culmination of Project Mind. So it gives the students, the teams, an opportunity to get up on stage and present their final pitches.
Project Mind is really important because it's bringing to life stories that young people are telling us. It's telling us that people are struggling with different things. It's taking those issues into account and it's turning stories into powerful tools of change, which is why it's really important, because when you've got a life-changing factory like UNSW that has 60,000 students out there, it creates this opportunity to have generational impact, which is why it's super important that we continue doing programs like this.
One of the things that we've got to be really careful of in a university is having management deliver all of the responses and the solutions to student mental health. The fact that we've got a body like Project Minds who are liaising with, engaging with, consulting with the student body to look at innovative solutions to student mental health is just terrific.
Being part of Project Mind has taught me a lot of things about the mental health inequalities that various vulnerable communities face. We've also been able to learn essential entrepreneurship skills so we can develop a project from front to back and actually develop a real life solution that would help the community in the long term.
So the best part of it being a part of Project Mind is that you get really involved with just the professional network. You get involved with the mentors, the industry partners. You get real insight into what it takes to, develop an idea, publish it so that it's actually presentable, so that people can take action based upon it. It was really interesting just to really get an in-depth sight about what it takes to be professional at what you do.
I found this project to be innovative, exciting, and creative.